Hey everybody, how y'all doing? How you doing? I was supposed to wake up today very early in the morning to go take my grandma's dog to the vet, but that did not happen because she decided not to for some reason. But it should happen someday eventually because that dog needs some medical help. I'm not even kidding, like he got some real problems, alright? So today I'm at home again. I don't know what I'm gonna do today, but I'll figure it out eventually. As the day goes by, I guess I'll vlog and whatnot. Hopefully this vlog is not as bad as yesterday's. I just noticed something. I still have not uploaded yesterday's vlog. It's not very long at all. It's probably like 3 or 4 minutes, so it shouldn't take that long. I'm gonna go ahead and head downstairs and do that right now. Alright, so that's that. That's definitely uploading. Remember that dog I told you we were supposed to take to the vet this morning? That's it right there. Grandma's cleaning it up. What is there to do? 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 Nothing. Nada. Nothing. Nada. But I'll be going upstairs because I'm bored down here, so I'll be going upstairs. Then back downstairs because my grandma making me some food, so I'll be downstairs when she makes me that food so I can eat it. But right now I'll go upstairs. By the way, yesterday's video, check it out. Back downstairs because I believe my food is ready. My uncle's working on this project he's doing over here. He's trying to do a little mini version of this. Move all this stuff over there. Yeah. For that thing that he's building, he's not gonna get it done until like, I don't know when. I'll let you guys know, I guess. I'll try to let you guys know. I don't know. That's it for today's video. I'm checking out. Here's yesterday's video. Also, here's follow me on everything. Follow me on Twitter, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Snapchat. This same username. It's always been in the description down below, but just in case. So yeah, see ya.